Hello again and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot that high frequency monitors are not see with AMD software. Radeon does not detect the signal. Then with the display port for this, what we have what to do is open the AMD program Adrenaline software edition. We are going to la configuration. Let's screen here on cancellations, and where it says admits HDCP has to be disabled because yes, it's activated. I don't know what stories it happens that it stops work. Okay, something else that can happen to you. Well, once you do this it works for you and it will happen to you. He will make a clone of the screen on both screens and you have two screens. Then one way to solve it is to give here to the AM from this one here and gives that quick connection. Then it will make like a small adjustment and I do it and it makes both screens be one. Then to solve later, to change that later, you are going to the configuration of the screen and here you have to tell him that when to extend those two screens. Okay, because if no, he doesn't do it well and only what he does is clone. Well, a little video I hope. Greetings and until next time.